Welcome to my channel Afroraia. You heard it right, Afroraia. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this healthy smoothie, meaning a smoothie with no additional sugar. I use 1 mango, 4 carrots, 3 bananas, strawberries, and 4 daddles. You can use more or less daddles depending on how you want your smoothie to become. I first wash my fruits. Now I peel my carrots, cut them in small pieces, and then put them in my blender. Carrots are full of benefits. They may promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, lower your risk of cancer, regulate blood pressure, reduce heart disease, improve immunity, and boost brain health. You won't regret incorporating more of this vegetable into your diet. Now it is time for bananas. I do the same thing, peel them and cut them in small pieces and put them in my blender. The banana, scientifically known as Musa acuminata, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Originating from the South and Southeast Asian Australasian region, the banana is now grown worldwide in over 120 countries. Bananas are a rich source of nutrients, such as potassium and vitamin B6. These nutrients, along with other components in bananas, can offer various health benefits, from supporting heart health to providing energy.
Now you can take the daddles, open them, take away the seed in the middle. The rest you can put in your bowl stirred. I use only 4 daddles in my 1.5 liter smoothie. But you can use more or less, depend on how sweet you want your smoothie to become.
Then I take my mango, peel it, and then cut it in small pieces that put them in my blender. Mango is the popular fruit found in Tanzania in Tabora region. Has been so popular to the whole worldwide as well. Mango is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and it has been associated with many health benefits, including potential anti-cancer effects, as well as improved immunity and digestive and eye health. Best of all, it's tasty and easy to add to your diet as part of smoothies and many other dishes. I repeat. Then I take my mango, peel it, and then cut it in small pieces that put them in my blender. Mango is the popular fruit found in Tanzania in Tabora region. Has been so popular to the whole worldwide as well. Mango is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and it has been associated with many health benefits, including potential anti-cancer effects, as well as improved immunity and digestive and eye health. Best of all, it's tasty and easy to add to your diet as part of smoothies and many other dishes. Strawberries. I use 4 strawberries in my smoothie. What are the benefits of strawberries? Antioxidants in strawberries, including vitamin C, can support your immune system and may lower your chances of getting sick when you're around germs. They may also help curb inflammation, manage your blood sugar, and guard against health conditions like high cholesterol, cancer, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. I put additional 1 glass of milk. Here you can even use water, depending on which taste you prefer. Now it is time to start my blender. I suggest that you take your time and taste your smoothie to see if I is ready or not. You can see that this smoothie has a lot of benefits, which comes out of fruits mixed in it. So I recommend it at least once a week for your own healthy. This smoothie can be useful to men because it boosts testosterone hormone, according to some doctors. Testosterone is the male sex hormone that is made in the testicles. Testosterone hormone levels are important to normal male sexual development and functions. During puberty, in the teen years, testosterone helps boys develop male features like body and facial hair, deeper voice, and muscle strength. I think your woman is going to like this smoothie. Ha 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 ha! Now my smoothie is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will be so grateful if you like, share, comment, and even subscribe to my channel. Hope to meet you again in the next video. Kwaheri!
Moyo wangu uone taabu yako kubwa, maumivu, mapigo na kuwa mtini, taji lako la miiba, tena ya misumari iliyokuumiza.